In this video, I will show you how to recover Brawl Stars account. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So the first thing you actually need to do is open up a new mobile browser, and what you want to do is just go ahead and search for Brawl Stars support. From here, what you're going to want to do is look for the link that says how to contact us and press onto that. So that's going to bring up a page like this. Then what you need to do is come and click onto the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, or it might be in the bottom right hand corner. And you want to select desktop site to change the site so it looks like this. Next, what you need to do, if you look in the top left hand corner, you're going to see account just up here. So you want to press onto account. And that's going to take you to this page with some options. As you can see, there's an option here to recover your account. So go ahead and press onto that. And what you need to do is press I lost my account. Now what you need to do, if you look in the top right hand corner, there's a troubleshooting option. Go ahead and press onto this. That's going to take you to this screen with technical issues. So what you want to do is press onto technical issues. And what you want to do from here is select the contact form link just here. So if you do know your Superstar ID, what you can do is log in. If you don't, then there is a link here which says continue without logging in. So you can press onto this. Then what you need to do is go ahead and fill in this form. So in the select category, you just want to put select something else. Then you want to put your player tag or account name into this box, along with your contact email address and your message describing the problem. So you want to put as much information as you can into this form, and once you've done that, you just want to come down and press the blue submit button. Once you submit this form, it takes about 24 hours for them to reply, but they will be able to help you to recover your Brawl Stars account. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.